Standard 4th, Subject Computer. Greeting to all my dear students. Here I am my teacher. Today we are going to learn about Notepad. So today our topic name is Notepad. From accessories program, we are going to see first program, that is Notepad. How to start Notepad program. Now we will start how to open the Notepad program. We are clicking the start menu button and we have select Windows Accessories folder. In that we search Notepad. While clicking, we will get the window of Notepad. We have seen the windows of Notepad program. Now we will see which are the menu, which are the bar is there. First one, title bar. Title bar is the topmost bar. It is called title bar. Second one, below the title bar there is menu bar. Menu bar has consists file menu, edit menu, format, view and help menu. Third one, that whichever blank area we call text area. We are going to type the text in text area. We can see one standing line that is called cursor. Notepad window is provided with a cursor. What is meant by cursor? Cursor is a blinking line which is seen in the text area. You can see in this picture in the text area dark standing line, that is cursor. Pointer and cursor are the main tool by which we control the most application of a computer. First one, we can see arrow on the desktop, that is used to select and move the object on the screen. Second one, we can see the hand finger showing, means that we are pointing at something that can be clicked. Third one is blinking line or standing line. That means we use while typing text on the screen. It's called a cursor. Now we will see practical way how to work with the Notepad. First one, we will see how to save the file. Second one, how to type the text and number. And third one, how to edit the text or number. Before taking practical, we will see that what is title bar. Title bar is a screen on the top of the screen. Untitled, you can see the picture, it is written untitled Notepad, that is title bar. Second one, menu bar. Where is the menu bar located? Menu bar is located below the title bar. Below the title bar is the main bar, is called menu bar. The option is in menu bar includes file, edit, format, view and help. Now we have seen how to open the Notepad. After the opening Notepad, we can see the windows of Notepad. First bar is called title bar. The topmost bar, it is called title bar. Here you can see untitled Notepad. This is title bar. When we give name to that file, so it will become file name. How to save the file? By clicking file menu, go to the save button, dialog bar appear. Where do you want to save? Location, desktop, document, download. Then we have to select desktop, write your name, file name and you can save. Then you can get the name your file. Yes. Then we will work with the notepad. How to type number, how to type text, how to edit it. Text area. Text area is a blank space provided with a cursor. Whatever we type will start from where the cursor blinks. So we can set our text anywhere in this space by positioning the cursor. Mouse pointer assists in the required placement of the cursor. We can type letters and figures in this space using the keyboard. Keyboard is a device where most of the required writing material are provided like small and capital letters, punctuation sign, spacing. Letter keys. Letter keys in a keyboard are the material by which we type different text. A caps lock key is given to make capital letters and the shift key is used to type symbols in such button in which two options are given. Space bar. You can see in this picture which key is this? Yes, this is space bar key. The longest key on the keyboard is used to give space, especially between two words or as per requirement. Now we will type some text and we will edit also. Okay. When we want to edit, we will go menu bar and we will select format menu. Okay. We will select the first one, our whatever you want to edit, sentence or paragraph. Then we will select we want style bold, font we have selected here. We can select script also. Okay, we want size 36. Okay, then it will come like this. When we are some doing changes, we have to save. How to close Notepad program? There are two ways to close the program. First one, from menu bar we will select file menu. From file menu we will select exit, last option. Then it will automatically exit the program. And second way, there are three buttons on the title bar. First one, minimize, restore and close. If we close button select, then program close automatically. Recap. What are the uses of letter keys? Letter keys are used to type the different type of text. For example, caps lock key is used to type in capital letters. Which is the longest key in the keyboard? Explain its uses. Space bar key is longest key on the keyboard, which is used to give space, especially between two words or as per requirement. What is a cursor? Cursor is the main tool by which we control the most application of a computer. Children, you have a small exercise. First one, write down the step to open the Notepad program. Second one, practical based question. Open the Notepad program and type any poem from your English textbook. Thank you, student. I hope you have understood how to work with Notepad program.